don't rush to get the new iPhone 14 because it's the iPhone 15 that will have the big changes. What most people don't know is that the standard non-Pro iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will be using the same A15 Bionic processor that was in last year's model, the iPhone 13. This means there will be no substantial increase in power unless you get the Pro model with the A16 chip. In 2023, the iPhone 15 will have the newest A17 Bionic. It will be the first iPhone processor to be made using a smaller 3nm transistor design. So it will require less power, giving you more use between charges. It will emit less heat, yet deliver higher performance. The ability to take photos with a powerful optical zoom is the holy grail of smartphone photography, because unlike a digital zoom, you can actually get closer to the subject whilst retaining a high level of detail. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will feature a periscope lens. This is an internal mechanism for increasing optical zoom, which could be at least 10 times optical zoom or even more. In 2024, both iPhone 16 Pro models will feature the periscope lens. The much maligned iPhone notch will be gone. The new iPhone 15 standard models will use the peel hole punch replacement, first introduced in the iPhone 14 Pros. So whichever iPhone 15 model you get, there will be no notch. The iPhone's need to use a lightning port to charge it or to plug in accessories has become a problem. It's inconvenient for users with multiple devices, and even Apple wired headphones can't directly plug into its own Apple laptops or premium iPads. Thankfully, the EU has mandated that all mobile electronic devices will have to use USB-C. Multiple Apple pundits have claimed the iPhone 15 will remove the charge port completely, but this is something that's not likely to happen in the short term, because it will require Apple including a charging mat or a charging dock in the box with the iPhone 15. But because of the added expense, this is a move it's not likely to do. So thankfully, it looks like the iPhone 15 will be using USB-C. As for the release date of the new iPhone 15s, this will most likely be Friday the 15th or Friday the 22nd of September 2023. Subscribe for more.